Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Dubey and today I'm going to show you how to use confirmation box in JavaScript. So let's share my screen and I'll show you how to do this. So there I'm using Visual Studio Code and we have one alertbox.html file, right? We are just writing our code. Alright, first just open HTML tab and HTML tab close and body tab. Right, so now we are going to just use here one button for open our confirmation box. So we are using there one property and just close this button, and now right here we are going to click here. So in button click we have to open our confirmation box, so we just to write here script. Okay, script, and just close this script. Okay, so right here we have a script. So we have to write here function, right? So our function name is maybe it's like box, like that one is our confirmation box. So our function name is box. So we have to call our function from on click. So just box, and that one we just call our function, and we write something like we have to create one variable where is value. So user value, so user value and equal to confirm box, and you have to pass your value. Do you want to continue or not? So you have to just click here. You will we get here two buttons. First is OK and second one is cancel. So we have to store this result OK or cancel in user variable. So just we use here if condition, if if user val equal to true, then our code will return us document dot write user want to continue, right? And if our user val is false, when if user just click on the cancel button, then we got false value. So our message is document dot write user don't want to continue. They don't want to continue. Simple. So now we are going to run this program, right? I've saved this file in my desktop. So our file name is alertbox.html, and just open it, and it's working and not. So we have to just check it out. So that one is our button. So just click on here. And do you want to continue? If I'm going to click on OK, so I got user want to continue. Just press this button page, and just do you want to continue? I'm just going to click on cancel button. So user don't want to continue, right? So we just use here some properties in this OK and cancel button. So I'm going to do document dot style. Okay, document dot body dot style dot background color, right? So background color is if the user want to continue, then our body color is something 000000, right? Or if some user don't want to continue, then we will show them body color is B222, right? So now let's see our program again. So click here. If some user don't want to continue, cancel. So he will get or she will get the red body color, right? So if some user want to continue our program, then click on OK, then they will get green color. So it's only not about only color, body color. You can do lot of code here. You can use your functionality, and you can use here what you want to do in your code. Simple is it. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so please comment, and please like my video and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.